Welcome to Unit 3. This is going to be video number 2, and we're going to start off by going over some of the vocabulary. So these are words, pretty common adjectives that you'll see in Spanish. You're going to notice that some of them do end in O, like we saw in the previous video. They're going to have 4 different versions. And the other ones that end in A are only going to have 2 versions. So let's practice by going over the pronunciation. I'll say the word and you can repeat after me. Amable, atlético, cómico, curioso, energético, estudioso, generoso, honesto, independiente, inteligente. If you need to go back and to listen and repeat again, please do so. Otherwise, we're going to practice. I'd like to practice these by using soy or no soy to say if we have these qualities or don't have these qualities. So soy meaning I am and no soy meaning I'm not. You can see that my examples here, I had to use an A at the end to reflect that I am a female. But if you're talking about yourself and you're a male, you might have a different ending, and that's okay. So I'm just going to go through one by one. The first one is amable. I think that I am amable, so I'm going to say soy amable. Then we have atlético, and I am definitely not, so I'm going to use the negative. No soy atlética. You can see there that I did change the A ending. Soy cómica. Soy curiosa. No soy energética. Soy estudiosa. Soy generosa. Soy honesta. Soy independiente. Soy inteligente. Now I'd like for you to go through and to say about yourself. Keep in mind that you might have different answers than me, and that's fine. And even if you do have the same ones like curiosa or no soy atlética, you might have a different ending, and that's also fine. When you're finished, you can unpause the video and we will move on to the next topic. On this page, we have reading comprehension. I'd like for you to read through this, paying special attention to the question to the right, which person is male and which person is female, and how do you know? So I'd like for you to read through it. You can read through it as many times as you would like if you pause the video. And then when you're finished, I'd like for you to be able to explain who is a male and who is a female and how you know that. You should recognize all of the adjectives from earlier in the video and all of the vocabulary from the other units. If not, feel free to look anything up that you need to.